So let's go ahead and create these lines here, which are fairly easy. And remember, we have that 45 degrees here again. That's just one of those shorthand things for telling us that the distance going this direction is 40. And then the distance that's going from this end point to this end point on the horizontal axis is also 40. When we get to creating these lines, I do know the direction of it, and you can figure out the math and figure out the angle of this. But in my opinion, it's a lot easier just to rotate this line and manipulate it to become 60. And then once we get to this point, we'll rotate this line up to 90. And then we'll manipulate this distance with the fillet. So what I think I'm going to do on this one is that I'm going to start by creating this very top line. And then I'll work my way around down to this point. Okay, so we're going to start with the line. Select here. Now I'll go this direction. Let's make it a random number that I will select, so 5. I'll go down a distance of 40. And sometimes it will get stuck on you, and if this is the case, hit the escape button. Zoom extents. And now you're able to scroll out a little bit more. Let's go back to the line command. Select this endpoint. Go to the left. 40. And remember what I said about this point is that I know how far to go down, and I also know how far to go to the right. So I'll type in 40, comma, negative 40. Enter. And that'll get me to that point. From here I will escape. Let's use grips. Select this line. Select the square grip at the bottom. Space bar 2 times or until you see the word rotate here. Select copy on my command line here. And then I have to rotate it 105 degrees in a clockwise rotation. So that makes that number negative 105. So minus 105, enter. Then escape. Hit escape twice. I'll go to lengthen, total, 60, enter. And then I want to affect this side of it, so I will click here, then escape. Let's rotate this line by using grips as well, so select the line, select the grip, space bar twice until you see the word rotate, select copy. Once again, I'm going clockwise, so I'll type in negative 90, enter, and then escape. Last thing I'm going to have to do for this one is to create a fillet along here. So let's go to fillet, radius, 10, enter. Now I'll select this line. I want to make a corner here, and then I'll select this line down here. Okay, so hopefully that should explain to you a little bit more of using grips. Thanks for watching.